Alright folks, here we got a Kubota. It's an F3680 diesel 4-wheel drive mower. It comes with all these attachments, the mower deck, sweeper, and the snowblower. I'll put them all in the description, the dimensions. Snowblower's in really nice condition. Hasn't been used much, as you can see. Paint's still on the augers. Spare set of tires it comes with. It comes with all the books, filters, and miscellaneous parts. And then again, I'll put the measurements in the description. I think that's a 72-inch mower deck. It's got the hard door cab with sliding windows. The front window opens up, it flips open. It's got windshield wipers, light kit, strobe lights on the roof, rear lights, all the lights work. Engine block heater. It always starts right up. You preheat it, touch the key, pops right off. Here is the tires. Good tread on all the tires. Now the paint has been touched up on this unit in areas because it was used for salting and sweeping, and so keep that in mind. Here's your salter on the rear. It's a SnowEx salter. Go ahead and show you these tires. I'll go ahead and take you inside the cab. It's got a hydrostatic foot pedal, rear wheel steer. There's your seat, suspension seat. There's all your controls, your SnowEx controller for the salter, mirrors. I'll actually go ahead and I'll fire it up here. Right now we're entering the cab. You can preheat it. There's the preheat. The fan's on, the heater's on. You can hear that. Right now the unit is running, if you can hear it run. Here's all your lights. Show you that the lights all work. The fan's working, it's blowing heat right now. Heat's off. Now the heat's on. Go ahead and turn these lights on. There's the lights. Strobe light will turn on. Strobe lights on. Front lights. And I will go ahead and pop the hood. It has got a Kubota diesel. Rear wheel steer, you can turn it with a pinky. You just turn it with a pinky. And I will go ahead and raise the sweeper up. Right now the sweeper's up, down. There you have it. This unit will be sold on auction time. No reserve auction, sold to the highest bidder. Any questions, please call. And for loading assistance, we have loading docks here, forklifts, whatever you need, we'll get you loaded. And we'll keep it stored inside one of our buildings until you get it picked up. There is a little dent right up here in the roof. You can see that. They hit something there, no big deal. You could probably actually straighten that all back out. Thank you for watching my video.